started. I know it's been frustrating trying to figure out how to add variants to your eBay listings. Well, I figured it out, so let's get started. First, you must have an eBay store. Once you have your store set up, you're going to go to your account settings, then scroll down to your seller's dashboard, click on Start Selling, and then here in the upper right-hand corner, click Create Listings. Single listings, not multiple listings. That's something different. Single listings. Here I already have a posting that's ready to go, so I'm just going to click on that. And then right here, where you see the eBay logo at the very top center of the page, scroll over to the right and see those three dots. Click on that, click on Settings, and then yours is going to be toggled off. You're going to toggle on Variations, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find the Variations segment. Now, before you toggle on, you will not see this, no matter how far you scroll down and keep looking for it. Once you find it, click on that, and then here is where you make your variations. Good luck to you, and I hope this has been helpful.